Hi guys, welcome back to Crown Diecast Legends. Today we have something amazing. Let's see what it is. As I'm recording, I know this is a set that a lot of people want to get. Oops, I didn't cut it. Oh. Alright, cool. A lot of people, I don't know if it's out yet or not, but it's a very special set. It's the ZAMAC Fast and the Furious 25th anniversary. And we're starting off with this awesome 1995 Mazda RX-7. That is badass. Wow. Let's see. Next, we have the 1995 Mitsubishi Eclipse. Next, we have the iconic 1993 Honda Civic Coupe EX-EJ1. It's a long name, but this one's actually probably one of my favorites. It's awesome. Next, we have Dom's 1970 Dodge Charger RT. It's pretty cool. Not a big V8 fan, but still, that's awesome with the supercharger on top. Alright. And then we have the best for last, the Toyota Supra. This one actually looks pretty good, especially with the whole ZAMAC theme going on. Again, guys, this is an amazing set. If you guys find it at the stores, I want to say buy it as soon as you can. And again, guys, thank you for watching the video. I have a lot of stuff, but I mean a lot of stuff to unbox. So hit that like button, subscribe, comment, and tell me what you think about this set. Are you gonna buy it or not?